6 ways to make passive income in 2021. If you're a student or a person who is searching for ways to make passive income in 2021, this video will be a great deal for you. Passive income can be a great help for you if you want to generate some extra bucks. You can save those bucks to invest in something better afterwards. Now, in this video, I'm going to tell you the 6 best ways to make passive income in 2021 that I recommend. So, let's get started. Start affiliate marketing. Another fantastic way to create passive income is by creating a website and monetizing it through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is, however, not a completely passive income solution because you have to make tons of valuable content that will attract viewers in SERP, which will further convert into customers. You can use your website as a place where you can add links that promote affiliate products. And with every order from your link, you'll get a fixed amount of commission from the sale. If you have an Instagram page with a good following, you can hunt for a profitable niche-related affiliate product and promote it there. There are a lot of companies that offer an affiliate program for their products. Those companies are eager to sell their products through any channel. And if your website, blog, or page gets enough traffic, they are willing to do business with you. When I started with affiliate marketing, I chose a niche that I was passionate about, and I knew about it. That's why I chose a relevant product for my topic. This will work out for you as well. Invest in stocks. Investing in stocks is another great source of passive income that can serve you for a good time. While investing in stocks, there are many ways for you, and you can buy shares and claim a part of the profit that is doubled in every 3 months. Different companies offer you several types of offers. Some of them are highly reliable and they'll give you a higher chance to earn more profit. But before jumping straight into stocks, you have to learn a lot about how stock markets actually work. The reason why I said you to know first is that when people start something without even having 1% knowledge of it, they fail immediately. If you learn properly, you'll be able to buy stocks at a lower point. And when the shares rise again, you can take advantage of that increase. Dropshipping. The e-commerce industry is getting famous with every passing day. There are several e-commerce models, and most of them are perfect for building a passive income, but what I recommend for you is dropshipping. Dropshipping is quite famous among e-commerce enthusiasts. Here is how you can kickstart your passive dropshipping model. The first step is to create your online store, where you will offer products from different manufacturers in your niche. Make sure that you have optimized your store in the right way. Let's suppose a person happens to visit your website and orders an item from your store. After receiving the order request, your system will forward it to the original manufacturer of that particular product. The makers will complete the order by shipping it to the person directly who placed the order on your site. Sounds good? This is the main reason why I recommend dropshipping is that you don't have to pay for stock products that you are selling. No inventory is required from your side, and you don't have to get worried about your products at all. The customer pays for the product and the manufacturer delivers it. Your role is to collect the commission. Start a YouTube channel. We all see YouTube as a video sharing platform, but the tables will turn for you when you join the YouTube Partner Program. But it's not too simple, as I've said just now. After joining the Partner Program, you'll become eligible to earn money through YouTube. But before that, you have to create a YouTube channel and put in loads of effort to create quality content. I've been working on YouTube for at least a year, and trust me, it's not just a piece of cake. I have to invest in scripting, editing, and other essentials that are required to craft a high-quality video. But you can do that all by yourself, and the internet is full of different resources that are meant to help you out. All you need to do is take your first step. The primary aim for YouTube monetization criteria is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. People often think that their earning depends upon the number of subscribers they have, but that's not the truth. Your earning depends upon the engagement of users you create, the niche you select, the quality of content you produce, and your audience. Just put everything aside for some time and build your focus on creating content for YouTube. It will turn out to be an excellent time investment. Airbnb business model. Another excellent way to generate passive income is by partnering up with Airbnb. With this partnership, you can make a passive income source by renting your room and becoming an Airbnb host. If you have an extra bedroom in your home, you can easily find a roommate by listing the details on Airbnb for travelers. Airbnb is a massive income generation system with which you can monetize your house literally. You can rent a room, an apartment, or even an entire home. The Airbnb system will deal with bookings and payments. However, the rest of the work would be done by the host. Other than Airbnb, there are many companies that offer you short-term rental passive income without doing any hassle. However, letting strangers inside your house can be a little risky, so you need to be careful while choosing this passive income model. Start your blog and monetize it with Google AdSense. Blogging is so far the most used method by people to generate passive income. You can set up your blog on WordPress with a niche of your interest. After that, you have to write about your experience so readers can learn from it. For example, if you love cats, then start a blog about them. This niche is highly competitive, but there's always room for you if you succeed in finding low competition keywords. Find keywords with less competition. When I mention cats above, it doesn't mean I've suggested you dive into a general niche. Break it down into sub-niches such as cat food, cat healthcare, cat training, etc. After that, again divide these sub-niches into furthermore, you'll find a great topic. Share the experience with your pet on your blog and promote it through your social media. Now let's talk about monetizing your blog. You can apply for Google AdSense monetization. You have quality content criteria, and if you had it, you would get approved within a week. Attach the ads in your sidebar and other such places on your website. If a reader clicks them, you'll earn a fee from Google AdSense.